Hey friends, this is Atif Opirval and welcome to the new update on YFI token. As in my so many previous videos, I have been showing you that YFI token first broke out a very long-term down channel on the 7 days time frame chart, and after that, on the same 7 days time frame chart, it also broke out another falling wedge pattern as well. And this was my last video, by the way. And now, if we take a look at the live chart, then you can see that YFI token after breaking out this wedge pumped very well, and by the way, from this low to here, it pumped almost 247%, but could not break out this long-term resistance of $11,240. That was previously working as a resistance here, and again worked as a resistance here, and again worked as a resistance here as well. And after this recent rejection, you can see that the price then dropped down at this next support here at approximately $5,500. But at the same time, we also had a very big bullish divergence on this chart as the price line was moving down and it was forming lower than previous low. At the same time, you can see that stochastic was moving up and it was forming higher low than previous low. So this was a quite big bullish divergence signal. Therefore, the price line followed this signal and geared up. And right now, it is moving above this support of $6,900. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. However, during this price correction, the price line has broken down this very, very massive support of Ichimoku bearish cloud that was previously working as a resistance, and now it was working as a support for the past few weeks, but now we have completely broken it down, and therefore again it can work as a resistance for the price line of YFI token. And in today's video, we will also analyze this resistance as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the current month of May 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal like this, the trade setup for Cream Finance, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the trading view chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal. For example, in this case, I shared this signal a few days ago on 19th of May 2024. And you can also watch the complete trade setup as well, like this of the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this button. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. And this was a very, very massive pump, by the way. Now, let me take you to the live chart of YFI token. And this is the weekly time frame chart. And this was the down channel that I've been showing you in my so many previous videos for the past several months. I've been showing you this down channel. And when it formed another smaller down channel within this bigger down channel in those days, I shared several videos with you and I told you that now it has formed another bullish path pattern. Therefore, it can now break out both channels together. And now you can see that we have broken out the smaller and the bigger down channel together. And the target for the smaller down channel was here at the top of the channel, approximately at $11,240. And over there, we have a lot of resistance as well. You can see previously it had been breaking at the resistance here, and after the breakout, the price and got rejected by this resistance. And then we formed another falling wedge pattern. And after the breakout, the target was again here at $11,240. The price then rallied beyond that target, but could not break out this resistance once again. And again, got rejected. And this time when the price was rejected, it dropped down, almost tested this long-term support of $5,500. But there was a quite big bullish divergence flash as the price was forming lower than previous low, but stochastic was moving up and it was forming higher low than previous low and entered the oversold zone as well. You can see it just touched the oversold zone and now we have received a bull cross almost from the oversold zone. And this blue line has crossed up the orange line. That is a very, very nice buying signal from the oversold zone. Therefore, the price line has followed this signal and geared up. And now there is a probability that soon it may try to break out the next resistance of $8,000 as well. That was a quite long-term resistance that had been previously breaking as support here. And for several weeks, it had been working as a resistance here and a resistance here as well. But we have broken down a very long-term support of Ichimoku bearish cloud. You can see that we broke out this cloud here. And for a few weeks, it had been working as support, but now we have broken it down. Therefore, again, it can work as a resistance for the price line. However, this time the cloud is quite weak, therefore it will be easy for the price line to break it out. And now if we take a look at the target for this very, very massive breakout from this big and long-term down channel, that move is still due. And that target can be here at the top of this channel. That can be between $95,000 to $100,000. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video description I shared. Take care. Goodbye.